This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. June is National Homeownership Month, and this year's theme, Dare to Own the Dream, emphasizes the importance of ensuring borrowers have the ability to purchase a home that serves them and their families well. Homeownership continues to be an important option for many Americans to invest in their communities, build wealth, and achieve the American dream. Owning a home has been a source of pride and security for generations. From rural counties to bustling cities, homeownership offers an opportunity to lay down roots, start a family, and embark on new beginnings. Over the past 7 years, rising home values have brought millions of families out from being underwater, and home sales have increased substantially. Today, Americans' housing market is on firmer footing, and more Americans are able to stay in their homes and afford their mortgages. The average rate for a 30-year mortgage dropped for a fifth straight week, which is the lowest it's been since January 2018. Sustained low interest rates are tempting homeowners to move into bigger homes with larger mortgages, instead of staying put in their current homes. Lower borrowing costs mean that buyers are able to afford larger mortgages. This is attractive to homeowners looking to free themselves from their starter homes. Their choices in that next price bracket are increasing, and they can use their profits from the sale of their current home towards the down payment on a new one. This motivation for current homeowners to move up is an example of how falling rates can help loosen up a tight market on several levels. When rates rise, homeowners are more likely to stay put because they don't want to take on a bigger mortgage. When rates go down, as they have been, they have more options, and that could trickle down and free up inventory. For potential buyers looking to break into the market, low rates mean that more people are getting themselves in a mortgage-ready position. That could make competition for homes even tighter, so a solid pre-qualification is more important than ever. Trusting JTS Company to do a thorough evaluation of your credit profile and issue a sound pre-qualification is always a smart move. We've been helping families with their homeownership goals since 1996 and plan to continue to do so for another 20-plus years. Convenience topped the motivations of nearly half of millennials for buying their first home with their spouses, more than other generations, according to a recent survey. 48% of millennials bought a home before tying the knot, compared to 35% of baby boomers. A small percentage of both bachelors and bachelorettes said they would prefer to sell their existing properties and buy a new home with their significant other after getting married. The primary motivations for millennials who have owned homes included proximity to work, schools, and leisure activities. Whether you are buying a home, downsizing, or selling it, it's easier to live life to the fullest when you are financially confident. While everyone has different goals across all generations and lifestyle choices, it is important to make sure your financial habits are supporting the moments that matter most to you. Choosing a lender that cares what your long-term goals are and tries to tailor your financing to those goals is key. At JTS Company, we want to sit down and discuss those goals with you. It might sound strange, but knowing that information helps us help you. For example, it may not be beneficial for you to put 20% down. As a matter of fact, more often than not, that large of a down payment isn't necessary anyway. Another example is it may not be as important to you to have the absolute lowest interest rate because you don't plan to live in the home over the course of 30 years when you compare the cost of that rate. We can structure the loan to benefit your immediate needs. Bottom line, at JTS Company, we have options to fit all types of scenarios. Give us a call to review your specific situation and let us help you dare to own the dream of home ownership. Whether you're looking to purchase or refinance your home, give JTS Company a call. We are local, trusted, and experienced, and we want to make homeownership easy for you. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.